share with you some of the murals I've done over the years. I started out painting under the bridges on the North Shore in Oahu, started painting the walls of my surfboard factory, and eventually started painting bigger murals. Ended up going down to Mexico and just painting a bunch down there and learning how to get better with it and figuring it out. It's definitely hard for me to scale up that size. So here they are, check it out. Painting in Mexico, it's so much fun. Like, you find a big wall and you can pretty much just go to the other side of the wall and the owner's right there, and pretty much every wall we've done, they've been super stoked on doing it. So it's been a blast. You can just do huge stuff. It's like hot and dusty and it's fully extreme mural painting, but it's so much fun. I love it. I can't wait to go back. Last mural I did was at the Ondas Maui at Wailea, and it was so much fun. It was this huge wraparound wall that kind of went down this hill, but it had a big curve into it, and so we did a bunch of fishes, some of the malolos, that are like swimming into each other and doing a bait ball type of formation. And it was really fun because the wall grew as it went down the hill, but it was also curved as well, so it just really lent itself out to the mural. Super fun. All right, so those are a couple of murals I've done over the years. There's been quite a few that I haven't really documented just because I get too excited to paint, but plenty more to come, so stay tuned. Until next time, aloha. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you click subscribe and the like down below. It helps out so much and it totally inspires me to make some more videos. You can also check out wellzieart.com for more of the backstory, more artwork and stuff like that, as well as follow me on Instagram at @_wellzieart. So check me out there, and we'll see you soon. Until next time, stay inspired.